Hi, Andy here, the author of the Make Each Click Count book series and host of the Make Each Click Count podcast. Now, let me ask you a quick question. What's better than acquiring a new customer? Yep, you guessed it. Getting an existing customer to buy again and again and again. Which brings us to today's hot topic: how to leverage Amazon brand tailored promotions to win loyal repeat customers. That's a mouthful, but don't worry. We're going to break it down, and more importantly, I'll show you how to make it work for your brand. First things first, what are brand tailored promotions? So Amazon's brand tailored promotions are a relatively new feature that lets brand registered sellers offer exclusive discounts to specific audience segments right inside Amazon. Think of it like email segmentation, but done inside Amazon's ecosystem. We're talking repeat customers, high intent browsers who haven't purchased, recent visitors, cart abandoners, even brand followers. Yeah, Amazon's finally letting you treat these customers differently, and I mean that in the best way. Before this, our options on Amazon were limited. You could run coupons, lightning deals, subscribe and save, good tools, but they didn't let you strategically nurture repeat purchases. Now, we've got something closer to the e-commerce holy grail: personalized promotions. Why brand tailored promotions matter? Let's talk brass tacks. Why should you care? Reason number one, customer retention equals profitability. As I say in the 2022 Make Each Click Count guide, your business isn't built on first clicks. It's built on what happens after the click. Repeat customers convert at higher rates, spend more, and cost less to acquire. Amazon's own data shows shoppers targeted with brand-tailored promotions are at least 10% more likely to convert, and in many cases, more than that. Reason number two, you control the narrative. With these promos, you're not offering blanket discounts that cannibalize margin. You're selectively rewarding loyalty or nudging warm leads. It's like having your own mini CRM inside Amazon. How to set it up without losing your mind. Let me give you the quick start guide. Step one, be brand registered. No workaround here. If you're not brand registered yet, hit pause, go do that, and then come back. We'll wait. Step two, go to advertising greater than brand tailored promotions. It's a relatively hidden tab, but it's there. Step three, choose your segment. Here's where things get fun. Amazon currently offers high spend customers, repeat customers, brand followers, recent customers, potential new customers, cart abandoners. Each one of these groups behaves differently and should be marketed to accordingly. Step four, set your discount. You can offer between 10% and 50% off. My advice? Start small. 10 to 15% is enough to move the needle for warm audiences. Step five, schedule and launch. Pick your window, monitor results, and iterate. Pro tips to maximize ROI. Let's go deeper. Because just setting up brand-tailored promotions isn't the whole story. We want to make each click count, right? Here are 5 key strategies from my e-commerce playbook. 1. Segment. Smartly start with repeat buyers and brand followers. These are your hottest leads. You're not fishing in cold water here. These folks already know and like your brand. 2. Stack with external traffic. This is a secret most sellers aren't using. Drive external traffic from email, Google Ads, or social to your Amazon product listing with your brand-tailored promotion in place. You increase conversion and get that off Amazon traffic boost Amazon rewards. 3. A/B test your discount levels. Run 10% for one group, 15% for another, and compare. Just like I talk about in the Make Each Click Count series, data beats opinion, always. 4. Promote high margin, repeat purchase products. Don't just promote your best sellers, promote the products that encourage habit. Think consumables, accessories, or products with strong cross-sell potential. 5. Analyze before you scale. Look at your metrics: conversion rate, units sold, total promo cost, and customer behavior post-promo. If you're gaining loyal customers, not just deal hunters, you're winning. Let me give you a quick case study from one of our clients at True Online Presence. They sell premium pet supplements on Amazon. We ran a brand-tailored promotion targeting repeat customers with a 15% off promo for a new complimentary product. Here's what happened. Conversion rate jumped by 28%. Units per order went up. 15% of customers repurchased within 45 days. That's the kind of behavior you want. Loyalty, not just one-time bargains. A few watch-outs. Before you rush in, here's what to avoid. Don't discount too deep. You're nurturing, not giving away the farm. Don't run overlapping promos. Amazon won't stack them, but you can confuse buyers. Don't skip post-promo analysis. If you're not tracking lifetime value, you're just guessing. Amazon's finally giving us tools to do what DTC brands have done for years: segment audiences, reward loyalty, and grow real relationships. Brand-tailored promotions are your new secret weapon if you use them wisely. Because getting the sale is good, but earning a loyal customer, that's where the profit lives. If you have a question on online advertising or need more tips on e-commerce marketing, let me know on my YouTube channel, within the Make Each Click Count Facebook group, or send me an IM or email at info@makeeachclickcount.com, and I'd love to help. And until next time, happy marketing.